Start by cutting a hole in your pastry bag. Make sure it's not a big one. And outline your cookie with the brown icing. Then by starting on the edges around, start by filling your cookie in with the brown icing. I've included toothpicks for you to go ahead and move the icing around, or you can use the tip of your bag. You can give your cookie a little shake carefully, as long as you don't get the edges. And this is where your toothpick will come in handy. I have a cookie tool, it's called a scribe. You can take one of your beaks, your snood, place them carefully on the cookie. And then your eyes. And there you go. You've got yourself a turkey. Now the icing can take anywhere from 12 hours to fully dry, but you're more than welcome to enjoy it now or wait for it to dry and eat it. If you do decide to not put your icing completely, you can go ahead and allow your cookie to dry completely, and then you can glue on your eyes, your snood, and your beak. I prefer the wet technique. And there you go. You've got yourself another turkey. I can't wait to see what you've made. Thank you for supporting Sprinkles and Stuff. Happy Thanksgiving. Gobble, gobble.